Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech4Gamers. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to locate or find your player ID in Survivor.io. To locate and find your player ID in Survivor.io, first of all, launch the game open on your device. From the home page, tap on your avatar or your profile icon at the top left corner. You will then be able to see your player ID displayed right underneath your player profile name. You can go ahead and write it down on a piece of paper. Your player ID is essential for various in-game activities such as redeeming codes and managing your account. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.